Actually, this Sharanagati concept is very good, and getting to know in detail with respect to this Sharanagati is, it is like experience based. Like how you take it, that's how you bow down. It is that way. How you fully, get engulfed in that particular Sharanagati, and this was a very good concept. Basically, because of this highlight, okay, we were introduced over here to know what exactly it is, and all the concepts, whatever was there inside, it was already new, okay. I mean, known fact. It's not like new; it's a known fact. But how exactly you get into and can penetrate and actually get into this was awesome experience when we really came here.
How this
This is
three
how it
days
is.
3 days workshop will actually get a inner peace. Really, you get it in inner peace.
Of course, that's what it all depends on how a person takes it and what he or she lives. It is LEAVE and not LIVE. Okay, when you live something, when you are empty cup, you can gain something. Unless that, and that is, it was very good experience of that part actually. And the living in Sharanagati is really awesome. It's like you cannot explain few things.
What you want to tell new volunteers of Sharanagati who want to join this Sharanagati upcoming events?
They have to come, each and every person actually, whoever it is. I would like to say that children has to get introduced for this first.
Children.
Basically, parents has to come along with their children with a motive that you be as is. When the session starts, they get attracted because we block our children from coming over, thinking that they would not get involved here. By we are aware that they will not involve, but we have to create the atmosphere at least so that they can come and take something and they get involved in it in a later part of their life, not now. But they will surely, that awakening will happen at one part of the time where they will be spiritually grounded, and this is what was the thing actually. But I want every children should be a part of it.
Thank you.